Hello friends, this video is about true law of attraction manifestation and how to get exactly what you want in your life. You're going to be amazed. Hey there you, welcome back to another video. My name is Brian Nesline, psychic spiritual card reading for you. This is for your highest good right here, right now. If you're watching this video, this was made for you. It just is. Why? Because everything around us is communicating information and emotional energy to us. And when we are an open, receptive channel for God, Source, or Universe to talk to us, then we can use everything around us in the moment, in the present moment, as information to be processed and made sense of. So this is going to present you stuff, present you information from the reading that's going to help you make sense in a new way, to see through new eyes, or to expand your self, your personal self. So some of this is going to sound familiar, but some of it is going to be opening you up to something much bigger, becoming the person you want to be, you are becoming. It's going to just be here for your highest good. So I am just a little pit stop on the path of your current life expanding. And this reading is where you are right now. Have a little sip of this water of life. So here we go. Now look, the topic of this reading is how to get exactly what you want out of your life. How to get what you want out of your life. And the first message here is that you've got to stop trying to get it from other people. They don't have what you need. They don't have what you want. No, you can't force them to give it to you. You can't beg them to give it to you. You can't sit up at night crying because they won't give it to you. You got to stop doing that. Right. Now, not that we're doing that really, but sometimes we do feel like we are trying to get other people to do what we need or what we want. And instead of doing that, because all that brings is, oh, look at that, the sorrow card. Don't do this. It sucks. You don't want to live like this. Look at the black and white duality, trapped down here in that cloak of sorrow. Bummer. So when we're trying to get what we want out of other people, we are forgetting that the stars are right here in the sky waiting for us to peek through the world at them. There's always an open window of opportunity for us to look up and out at those stars. To look up to the source. That way we can get what we really want. And what are we talking about here? I'll tell you. We don't have to ask or make other people do what we want, because everything that we want in the world, in our life, already exists. This is a big idea, why you came here to this reading. Everything that you can want already exists. Einstein said it when he said that imagination is more important than what we already know, because imagination includes what we know, plus everything we could ever know, ever in the world. So he points us up to this space, this spiritual space of imagination, of green heart chakra, where anything is possible. Your conscious spiritual identity space, the spirit that you are. And it takes your weary self who doesn't believe, or who can't climb higher, or who can't see how to get what they want out of the world. And that's the burden. We have to kind of let ourselves go or help ourselves up to this spiritual space. And that's what this reading is about. And that's what my channel is about. It's to help you along your spiritual awakening and spiritual maintenance hike up the mountain, which is going up to prayer, going up to God, going up out of your sorrow and burdensome bummer place, going up to that spiritual space to get what you're looking for. Now look, the weather vane, the rooster, is there for a couple of things. One, cock-a-doodle-doo, whoa, wake up. It's talking about waking up. And the second thing it is, it's like a weather vane, a directional. So it's saying, take the direction of going up. Don't go to other people to get what you want. Go up to God, Source, Universe. Or in other words, go up into your conscious space here. Now, when you go up into your conscious space, remember, this reading is about getting exactly what you want out of your world, in your life. So you go up into your conscious space, and up there you're going to formulate your little votes, your little outlines, your little descriptions of what you want in your life. Do you want a relationship that is loving and caring? Then go up here and get a feel and a little bit of a description a little bit of words and a little bit of emotion up here in what it's like for your relationship to be loving and caring. Do you see them bringing flowers? Do you see them singing songs to you? What are the conditions that you'd like to see come to pass, come true? Look at all the little white lambs, they're all going to follow through. Whatever you create up here in your conscious space, you have the courage to be the lion, the strength to be the lion, to create in your upper space the things you want to see come to pass. You can formulate them in your imagination, where they're all blurry and cloudy first. That's why the sheep back here are barely noticeable. They're cloudy and blurry until you add emotion and descriptions of scenes and prayerful hopes of your dreams. You think about it, you imagine it, you get a little bit of a definition of it because you are tied to those conditions. You are tying your spirit to those conditions coming true. Oh, cute little fluffy little lambs coming into your world when you go up into your spiritual space. Remember, we're not going to live in that Sorrowville. No, we're going to go up there. We're going to follow that weather vane up the mountain. And the mountain is prayer. The mountain is prayer. Prayer meaning speaking to God, source, universe in our imagination space. In our imagination space to be able to formulate the conditions that we'd like to see come to pass in our life. We are that lion. The lion is the king of the beasts, meaning we are the ones who are in charge of what the reality out there gets reflected back as. So if you know this super secret thing, then you'll know that you don't have to go to other people to make them do stuff. Instead, you go up into your secret place and you ask the Father. This is from the Bible. You go into your secret place, ask the Father, and believe as if you've received it, and then it'll be done unto you in your personal life. Oh, so simple. Why not use the Bible for little instructions like that? It doesn't mean you have to be converted or something. Just use the practices and principles that are coming in through the world around you and make use of them and incorporate them. So, right now where we're at in this reading is, 1, we know that we don't have to get things from other people or make them do stuff, because that's a pain and it really costs a lot of emotional energy trying to do that. 2, we don't have to worry about it never happening. That would suck. That would be us going into our imagination and just telling stories of it's never going to happen. Oh, this sucks. I hate life. No. 3, we only need to go up into our secret space and imagine how we'd really like our relationship to be, how we'd really like our work and employment to be. Oh, what would it be like if I had a job that I loved? What does it look like to have that come in from above and for me to be able to make the kind of money I want, for me to be able to have the little things that I want and to do the little stuff that I give a crap about in this world? That stuff, you outline it up here and you feel it like it's real and then you let it go. Now, what is the next step in all of this? Well, since we're not going to try to make the world around us do anything anymore, and since we already casted our vote for what we want, now we can relax. We can just enjoy the day and the moment. We can do little things like what I'm doing right here. Just be yourself, as quirky and weird and blah, 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 boo, like I am right now. Oh, in front of you. I'm being real. I'm being me. I'm letting go. I'm being free. And as you are that in the world, you're going to see little opportunities where you can shine your light towards somebody out there. Say, hey there, you're special right now. I can look at you and see you're a star that's shooting through my life, saying hello, oh, whoa. And that's who you are, all you people who are watching this, which is just you, actually. You're the only one here. You are a little star in the sky of my personal world. I'm sitting here making videos just for you. And I love that you are shooting past, flying past my eyes. I love that I can sit here perched on my green heart chakra forever, making YouTube videos that will last 500 years. How many little stars are going to cross this video? You're one of them. Thank you for being here. See, as I shine light, or as I say these genuinely admirable things about you, and tell you that I love you, a big love, a God love, a light love, a beyond the earthly love. Yeah, and awe and wonder of your uniqueness, your unique beauty, your unique expressions, your unique energetic expressional flow that you give to the world. As I imagine how awesome you are in your families with your significant others, as I imagine how much good you're doing in your community, in your day-to-day life, as I imagine you driving in your car and you're like, I'm hoping good things for everyone around me. I hope that they all have their hearts and hopes come true. As I see you doing that and I celebrate you, ooh, I'm so excited and happy. What's happening? Joy's coming through me, light is coming through me, freedom is coming through me. All of this light is coming out of my mouth and out into my creative experience. And as I do that, as I am expressing light, that light will move through me. And what's it going to do as it moves through me? It's going to take with it all of the seeds of my hopes and desires. And it's going to plant them in the world of personal experiences, and it's going to grow them and reflect them back to me. This is how we get what we want. We outline it up here. That's the mental and emotional seed. And that DNA is all encrypted. And we just let go. Don't try to get it from people around us or make it happen. Accept that it already exists, like Einstein said. Imagination is encapsulating everything that could ever exist. So know it's real up there. You ask the Father by believing that you've planted that little inner seed. Then you let go and you say, all right, God, universe, grow it for me. While I go out and shine the light, I'll spread the good news about the people and the situations that I see. So this looks like not being negative, not complaining about people, not bitching and moaning about stuff. Why would you? Let it go, let it flow. As your light flows through you, it takes out those heart seeds and plants them in the world. Then what's going to happen? Oh, that inner voice grows. Dolphins are playing. They're dipping in the ocean of light. They dip into the ocean of light and they grow. Look, they grow their little green heart chakra flowers. The green heart chakra flowers. The little crystal of change happens right there. All of the powers right in your lips to speak it into existence, to go up in here, and then to speak to the people around you with your blue throat chakra expressions, to let them know what you see up here about them, the beautiful, unique expressions that they are. As you pack that into the world, that light will keep cycling through you, and it will keep watering and growing the seeds into these beautiful green flowers of your personal reflections, the things that you personally want. Not what I want for you, not what anyone else wants for you, but what you want for yourself. It is so amazing. This is the secret. If you know this, you're going to feel great. Think about it. You're going to feel awesome if you really believe this. Why? Because now your happiness is never going to be contingent on anybody around you or anything happening or anything not happening. All of your stuff is going to be accessible, magnetically drawn to you and grown by your own casting of votes. This means you're going to enjoy meditation. You're going to be like, oh, I'm going to do a little meditation today, and I'm going to cast my votes. I'm going to order off the menu what I prefer. Then I'm going to go out and shine that magnetic light and having my present experiences with people and situations. And what's going to happen is all that stuff's going to get drawn back to me like a magnet, like a beautiful, wonderful thing. And because you're going to be so free and so happy and so excited, because as those manifestations just pop up, you're going to be such a believer if you're not already one. Your faith is going to increase. And you're going to have your own personal experiences of what I'm saying right now as being true. And that is going to make you a believer beyond belief. Oh, a believer beyond belief. When you get to that point, my friends, you can kiss sorrow goodbye. Whoa, you're going to be able to be like, what do I want to manifest next? I can't even make up my mind. I got so many things that I can do now that I know that anything is possible. And at the end of it all, you're going to be back here in a video like this saying, hey, Brian, what a beautiful abundance. Come on. What a beautiful abundance it is. Life. Thank you so much, friends, for being a part of this. Aw, don't be like that anymore. Let's go to the never-ending, foolproof treasure chest of golden light seeds that are being reflected back in your world. It's an abundance. It's never ending. Yeah! Subscribe to this channel. What? Leave me a comment. Let me know what's going on. Say hello. Tell me something nice about me. What? Did I say that? In other words, spread some light. Spread some light. Use me as a canvas to throw light at. Oh, thank you so much for being a part of this. I love you. Oh, and I mean that in the most big human love God type of a agape type of way. Thank you so much. Take care.